Welcome to a state-of-the-art Dutch greenhouse. We're installing diffusing glass. It's the future of modern horticulture. Sunlight passes through diffusing glass. It changes from harsh direct light to soft scattered light. No more blinding glare. Just even, gentle illumination. This transformation cuts peak sunlight intensity. It protects plants from light stress. Light stress is common in clear glass greenhouses. Diffusing glass eliminates shadows entirely. Every corner of the greenhouse gets light. Every leaf gets light, even those deep in the canopy. It reduces light intensity. This mitigates photoinhibition. Photoinhibition is damage that slows photosynthesis. Studies show a 15% boost in lower canopy efficiency. Healthy, shadow-free growth means higher yields. Dutch research confirms this. Harvests increase by 5%到11%. Fruits are larger and more uniform. This is key for commercial growers. Our diffusing glass maintains 95 to 97% light transmission. It matches clear glass. It stabilizes temperatures. It reduces hotspots. It resists with a long-term use. Invest in diffusing glass for your greenhouse. Get better light. Grow healthier plants. Enjoy bigger yields. It's the smart choice for sustainable horticulture. The diffused glass and AR coated diffused glass produced by Yuhua have cooperated with many large commercial greenhouses in agriculture, horticulture, nurseries, and experiments. We have cooperated with large greenhouse project companies, such as Havicon, Van der Hoeven, Cubal, etc., for many years. Yuhua greenhouse glass has a light transmittance of up to 99%. Consult online customer service, leave us a message, or send us an email.